AMD has emerged as one of NVIDIA's most serious contenders in bringing the next generation processors. AMD has unveiled its new MI300X AI chip, positioning it as a significant competitor to NVIDIA's dominant AI processors. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The AMD MI300X features 192 GB of high-performance HBM3 memory designed to handle large AI models and offer faster data transfer rates. This chip is part of AMD's Instinct platform, which aims to make AI technology more accessible and affordable compared to NVIDIA's offerings. Meta, Microsoft, and OpenAI have already shown support for AMD's new chip, indicating a shift towards diversifying the AI hardware market. The MI300X is projected to challenge NVIDIA's market hold by offering competitive performance and efficiency. AMD's CEO Lisa Su emphasized that the MI300X aims to provide a better user experience by delivering faster responses for complex AI queries. The chip's architecture and software support, including updates to AMD's ROCm software, is going to compete with NVIDIA's CUDA and is designed to attract AI developers who currently rely on NVIDIA's GPUs. AMD has announced its new artificial intelligence chips for everything from cutting-edge data centers to advanced laptops, ramping up its challenge to the runaway market leader, NVIDIA. Demand has exploded in the past 2 years for the specialized processors that help develop, train, and run AI applications such as ChatGPT. This improvement is expected to reduce the adoption barrier for AI developers and companies currently relying on NVIDIA's GPUs. Additionally, AMD plans to offer the MI300X at a more competitive price point, potentially making it a cost-effective option for businesses seeking high-performance AI solutions. Overall, the MI300X series marks a significant step for AMD in the AI processor market. While NVIDIA still holds the lead, AMD is offering a compelling alternative with potentially better performance and attracting big industry players. This competition is likely to benefit users as both companies strive to develop even more powerful and efficient AI solutions. Let's look into today's headlines. Intel unveils Lunar Lake processor for AI PCs. Intel unveiled the architecture behind the Lunar Lake processors meant for the upcoming AI PCs. Intel says that Lunar Lake offers incredible power efficiency with up to 3 times more AI compute compared to the current Meteor Lake processors. According to Intel, 60% of the new PCs by 2027 will be AI PCs and its Core Ultra platform will be capable of supporting over 500 AI models. Autodesk takes over AI-powered VFX startup Wonder Dynamics. Autodesk has acquired Wonder Dynamics. The two companies have worked closely together for years but are making it official now. Wonder Dynamics is a startup that lets creators quickly and easily make complex characters and visual effects using AI-powered image analysis with Wonder Studio as its flagship tool. Autodesk itself has been working on AI technologies for more than a decade now. NVIDIA to bring in-game AI assistant to Microsoft's Copilot Plus PC platform. NVIDIA has announced a new RTX AI PC segment that will be eligible for the Microsoft's new Copilot Plus PC platform. NVIDIA said that RTX AI PCs will feature up to GeForce RTX 4070 GPUs and power-efficient systems on a chip with Windows 11 AI PC capabilities. ASUS and MSI are among some of the OEMs that are already building on this platform. Launch of India AI. Amendments to IT Act to figure on MeitY's 100-day agenda. Close to 20 key developments, including the launch of the India AI mission, amendments to IT Act, and setting up of an Apex Digital Public Infrastructure, that is DPI committee, are expected to be on the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technologies, that is MeitY's 100-day agenda. The 100-day agenda is being circulated internally and is expected to be put into practice once the election results are out and the new government is formed. Instagram working on 3 to 5 seconds of unskippable ad breaks. Instagram is testing unskippable 3 to 5 seconds ad breaks when users are scrolling through their feeds. Meta seems to be currently rolling out the experimental change to a small group of users. But the users feel that the social media platform is forcing them to watch this 3 to 5 seconds of unskippable ads before they can resume scrolling. Users are unhappy, and as a result, some are thinking about quitting the platform. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.